You were not happy with the temperature in June. You didn't leave in June. You were unhappy with the temperature in July. You stayed in July, and you didn't pay rent. Your lease was up July 31st. You didn't move out July 31st, and you didn't pay in August. There's no question in my mind that you didn't pay in August. And you didn't leave until September.
On June the 18th, when we got into that altercation, she breached our lease agreement. That's what that was playing on his phone. We were arguing because she would not let us use the air conditioner, and I told her that we paid extra to keep it cool. It was 20 degrees hotter upstairs. She dried her clothes upstairs.
Find another Airbnb.
That's what we told her, and she agreed to refund our money, at which point we were going to leave within 2 days. Within
Just
2
a second.
days. She agreed to refund our money. We have evidence of that.
What day in June was this?
This was on June the 18th. She said we had to move. And
okay, so June the 18th was after the new agreement went into effect.
Yes.
And she said, I will return a portion of your $800 because you would already stay there more than half the month.
That's not what she said, Your Honor.
It doesn't make any difference, madam, because you stayed there June, July, August, and part of September, with it hot, with it miserable, and you didn't pay rent.
Your Honor, please, this is our evidence.
Okay.
This matter was settled out of court.
Not out of court, in court.
No, because we were about to go to trial. She filed an unlawful detainer against us, which was completely appropriate. And we said, good, we'll see you in court so we can present our evidence and explain why we didn't pay for July. This was settled already.
So if what you're telling me is it was settled already in another court?
Yes, that's what this is.
Just a second. I'd like to see that.
We left when the judge told us to leave, a day before, actually.
That's what you agreed to. Miss Blackie, you were already in court,
yes,
and you agreed. Plaintiff agrees to forgive and not pursue by collection or lawsuit any rent for July or August. That's what it says.
Yes, Your Honor. After they lied and said, I don't allow them to use the utilities in my house, and I have evidence that they did.
I don't care about your evidence. I'm not an appellate court for another court. No. This says that this case was settled and it was resolved with an agreement that they would leave by September 1st. And you agreed that if they left by September 1st, you would forgive and not pursue by collection or lawsuit any rent. But what are you doing here?
Your Honor, I will tell you why. I will tell you why. After I evicted them, I gave them a 3-day eviction notice. They did not leave. I went to the
I want you to read this. I want you to read this at the bottom.
I understand.
All right, then you have no case here. You have no case here. You agreed not to pursue by lawsuit action for rent for July and August. So how dare you file another case before me? That's ridiculous.
I will tell you why, Your Honor.
I don't care why.
They lied to the court.
Goodbye. Your case is dismissed.
Your
Yours
Honor,
is
we
nonsense.
have a counterclaim.
It's dismissed. Nonsense.
We have a solid count. Please read this. He almost died.
Goodbye.
She's a nurse.
Goodbye.
He almost died, Your Honor.
Goodbye.
Your Honor, please.
Parties are excused. You may step out.